Hello, kids. Let's learn ABCs with me. Let's start. A for apple, red and sweet. Say it with me. A, apple. A, apple. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Say it with me. B, ball. B, ball. C is for cat. Meow, meow, meow. Say it with me. C, cat. C, cat. D is for dog. Woof, woof, woof. Say it with me. D, dog. D, dog. E is for elephant, big and gray. Say it with me. E, elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish, swimming all day. Say it with me. F, fish. F, fish. G is for giraffe, tall and yellow. Say it with me. G, giraffe. G, giraffe. H is for hat. Wear it on your head. Say it with me. H, hat. H, hat. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. Say it with me. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. J is for juice, orange and sweet. Say it with me. J, juice. J, juice. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. Say it with me. K, kite. K, kite. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. Say it with me. L, lion. L, lion. M is for monkey, jumping on the tree. Say it with me. M, monkey. M, monkey. N is for nest, home for little birds. Say it with me. N, nest. N, nest. O is for orange, round and juicy. Say it with me. O, orange. O, orange. P is for penguin, waddling in the snow. Say it with me. P, penguin. P, penguin. Q is for queen, wearing a shiny crown. Say it with me. Q, queen. Q, queen. R is for rainbow, colors in the sky. Say it with me. R, rainbow. R, rainbow. S is for sun, shining so bright. Say it with me. S, sun. S, sun. T is for tree, green and tall. Say it with me. T, tree. T, tree. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry in the rain. Say it with me. U, umbrella. V is for violin, playing lovely tunes. Say it with me. V, violin. V, violin. W is for watch. Tick, tock, tick. Say it with me. W, watch. W, watch. X is for xylophone, making music fun. Say it with me. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yacht, sailing on the sea. Say it with me. Y, yacht. Y, yacht. Z is for zebra, with black and white stripes. Say it with me. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Great job! You learned your ABCs.